Hello Samir, how are you? I am fine. I am fine too. I work now about my family. Tell me what do you want to know? How many family members in your family? There are 4 members in my family. What profession is your father? My father is a businessman. Thank you very much for conversation with me. You are most welcome. ভালো লাগলে লাইক করবেন, কমেন্ট করবেন, শেয়ার করবেন।